Namaste everyone. Welcome to Lessons with Lakshmi. Today we will discuss about the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic and editor. Born in St. Louis, Missouri to a prominent Boston Brahmin family, he moved to England in 1914 at the age of 25 and settled there. His most notable works include the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Waste Land, Four Quarters, Murder in the Cathedral, The Cocktail Party, and many more. About the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat, also called The Hidden Paw, is a fictional character in T.S. Eliot's 1939 poetry book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. This poem is composed by the poet about his tame cat. A little bit of background to the poem. T.S. Eliot was a big fan of Sherlock Holmes stories by Arthur Conan Doyle, and the character of Macavity is a literary allusion to Professor Moriarty, the criminal mastermind in the Sherlock Holmes series. The name Macavity is a pun on Moriarty. Mac plus cavity. Cavity means hole, nothing, void, or empty. Macavity is described in the poem as not there at the location of the crime. Let us start with the poem. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Now, Macavity is described here as hidden paw. Paw means the animal's foot is called as a paw, which is having claws. Okay, that is called as a paw. Here, cat's foot is called as a paw. For here means because. Because why is he called as a hidden paw? Because he is the master criminal. Master criminal, why is he called as a master criminal? He can defy the law. Defy means disobey, not to follow the rules of the law. He is the bafflement. Bafflement means puzzled. Scotland Yard is the police department. Headquarters of police department in London is called as a Scotland Yard. The Flying Squad is one more police department which is expert on catching robberies. Wherever robberies happen, the flying squad reaches that crime scene first. They are called as flying squad. They are in despair. Why? Despair means what? Complete loss of hope. They lost hope of catching hold of this criminal, master criminal, which is Macavity. Okay, the Scotland Yard is one police department and flying squad is another police department. Two police departments are not able to catch hold of the master criminal Macavity over here. So they are in despair. They are not able to catch Macavity. They lost all hope of catching Macavity. For, again here one more for. This for is again because. Why is it despair? Because when they reach the scene of crime, when they reach the crime scene where the crime has taken place, that is called as a crime scene, Macavity is not there. Macavity is not found at that place. Because why is Macavity? Why is Scotland Yard and Flying Squad is in despair? Because when they reach the crime scene, Macavity is not found at that place. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Now, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There is no criminal like Macavity. Macavity is the master criminal. There is no one who can measure up to Macavity. He is the masterminds of the criminal. He has broken every human law. He He is a criminal. That means he defies law. He will not follow the rules of the law. He has broken every human law known to human beings. He breaks the law of gravity. He not only breaks the law, but he also breaks the law of gravity. Gravity means gravitational force of earth. Okay, his powers of levitation. Levitation means floating in the air. Now, if you have seen David Blaine's series, he is a magician who can float in the air. They show in one of the series, if you have watched X, and in that David Blaine series, if you have seen, he flies in the air. That is levitation. Would make a fakir stare. Fakir means a monk. Can be a Hindu, can be a Muslim. So he is called as a fakir, a monk who has given up all the materialistic things in life and he dedicates his life to God. Somebody who has given up all the materialistic things. He lives like a monk. He lives like a fakir. He is called as a fakir. Means because of all the meditation he has done, he has the power to elevate himself. He has certain powers. So here fakir stare means even fakir will be amazed by the powers of levitation by the Macavity. Here he is actually explaining that Macavity can go very high up in the buildings, so he cannot be found by the police. And when you reach the crime scene of crime, Macavity is not found at the scene of crime. And you may seek him, you may look for him. Seek means what? You are looking for him in the basement, or you may look up in the air. Now if you have seen, you can see that the cats will go above the buildings and they can walk, and when they fall down nothing happens to them. Their body is such that if they fall down from a nice height also, nothing happens to them, to the bones don't break. Okay, here you can seek them, you can look for the Macavity in the basement, or you can look up in the air. But he is telling us, the poet is telling us, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not found at the crime scene. Macavity is never found at the crime scene. He breaks the law of gravity, he breaks every human law, and he makes his levitation powers. Levitation means to float in the air. His powers are so great that even a monk stares at him in amazement. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Now, Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger means this reddish brown in color. This is called as a ginger. Here I have put in a photo for you. That is a reddish brown color is called as a ginger cat, and it is also highly spirited. That is, it is very active cat. He is very tall and thin. Here we said Professor Moriarty is described same like him in some other novel. So he is explaining this cat as if it is a human being. He is saying he is very tall and thin. That means we cannot imagine a cat being tall. Okay, we can imagine cat being long, not tall, vertically tall it is. So, but here Professor Moriarty's description has been given to this cat villain. Okay, that is why the poet is saying he is very tall and thin. Professor Moriarty was also described as same way. Okay, same words the poet is using here. You would know him if you saw him. Means the poet is saying if you look at him, you would know from his description that this is Professor Moriarty. Because he goes on to explain how he looks. His eyes are sunken in. His eyes are deep within the forehead. The eyes have gone inside. His brow is deeply lined with thought. Means his brow is lined. Always he is thinking something or other thing, how to defy law. So his brow is deeply lined. His head is highly domed. Now, when we say head is domed, it also means it is very, very intelligent. That is why he is described as a long forehead. Normally, people say that when people have long forehead, they are very intelligent than normal people. Maybe it is not true, just a myth. Here also, the cat's head is described as highly domed to indicate that he is very intelligent. His coat is dusty from neglect, means there is nobody to take care of him. His coat also means people wearing the coat, and because Moriarty is described here same like cat, he is wearing a coat and the coat is dusty, or the fur of the cat, that is also called as a coat, that is dusty. Because Professor Moriarty always is a professor. He teaches with the board and chalk. So the chalk falls on his coat and it is always dusty. That is also one reference over here. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means the hair, the mustache of the cat is called as a whiskers. Those are uncombed, means they are not taken care of. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Here how he moves, very graceful movement, that is what is being described here. And when you think he is half asleep, when the cat lies down and you think the cat is sleeping, but no, he is always wide awake. Always the cat is very wide awake, always observing his surroundings. Okay, even though it looks as if it is sleeping, it is not asleep, it is always observing around. Here this cat, ginger cat, is tall and thin. This description explains that he is very intelligent, always thinking and plotting how to avoid police. Okay. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Now, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Why? Because, for again here explains, because he is a fiend in feline shape. Fiend means a devil, a bad person, an evil spirit. In cat shape, feline means a cat. In looking like a cat, he is a devil himself in the disguise of a cat. A monster of depravity. Depravity means wickedness, cruelty. Okay, he is a monster of wickedness. He is the name for wickedness. Here Professor Moriarty was also the criminal person who was behind many crimes. Same way this cat is also stands for depravity, it stands for wickedness. You may meet him in a by street, you may look at him while walking on the road, or you may see him in the square. Now he might be talking about London Square, the Trafalgar Square, or any place where the junction. But when a crime is discovered, when a crime takes place, at that place you will not find Macavity. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. And when the ladder is looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pig's been stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair, there is a wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. Now these are the crimes that is normally done by the cat. Okay, here he is not talking about Moriarty. This is normally, these are all the things a cat does. He is outwardly respectable, means when you look at him, you will feel he is a very respectable person. You will not think that he is a criminal, because to look at, he looks very good and nice. They say he cheats at cards, means when you look at him, the only crime you can think of is he will cheat at cards. The most highest crime you think about is he will cheat at cards. They say, that is also not proved. Okay, but to look at, he looks so respectable, so good. and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yard. Means his footprints or fingerprints are not found in any of the police headquarters. At police, his footprints are not registered. So he was never caught in the crime. And when the larders looted, now what is a larder? A cupboard where you put all the food. A cupboard where you put all the food. When the food is looted means what? A theft happens when it was stolen. The food is stolen or jewel case is rifled. Jewel case means a jewelry box is gone through, rifled, taken away, stolen. Or when the milk is missing. Normally what the cats do at our home when we are not looking, they to go and put their mouth in the milk. That when the milk is missing or another peak's been stifled. Now what is the another peak? Here peak is a kind of a dog. It is called as a Pekingese dog. A very small shaped dog is called as a peak. Now this cat can scare the dog. When it is stifled means when it is fought and the cat wins. Okay. Or the greenhouse glass is broken. Now the plants are put inside a greenhouse and in the glass because we want to protect them from the sun or the frost or anything. To protect the plants, we put them in the greenhouse. When the glass of the greenhouse is broken, why he has to break the glass of the greenhouse? Because where there are plants there are rats. Okay, rats come to eat the vegetables, and where there are rats there are cats to catch hold of them. That is why when the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis is past repair, trellis means that structure which is made to support the creepers of the plants. Okay, the creepers which are supported through that framework of wood, that is called as a trellis. When it is broken down and it cannot be repaired anymore, there is the wonder of the thing. Who has done all these crimes? Who is responsible for all these crimes? Macavity, and he is not found at the crime scene. And when the Foreign Office find a treaty gone astray, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. You will be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumb or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Now, these are all the crimes that are normally performed by Professor Moriarty. In the previous stanza, we saw all the crimes performed by a cat. Normal cat does all those crimes. Here, what Moriarty does, all the crimes are explained over here. Foreign Office find a treaty is gone astray. A treaty is gone missing. A treaty means something that has been done between two parties. A sign has been taken on a paper, and that is called as a treaty. That has gone astray means that cannot be found anywhere, that is missing. Or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way. Some blueprints have been stolen. Okay, some for example you want to loot a bank, then you need to know where is the safe is. You need to know the blueprint for that bank. So these papers will be missing. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair. Now when such things go stolen, you might find a small paper. A scrap of paper means a torn small paper on the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. Why? Macavity will never be found. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, when something has been gone that has been found by the Secret Service, the Secret Service say it must have been the work of Macavity, but he is a mile away. In order to show his alibi, means he was not there at the crime scene, he was doing something else when the crime has taken place. He will have some people telling him that he was with us, some alibi will be given. So he would have been resting somewhere, means taking rest, he was sleeping, or licking of his thumbs. What does a cat do normally? It will be always licking the paws, okay, always cleaning up its paws, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Now in same way, in the Sherlock Holmes book, one of the books, it has been explained that when a crime has been committed and police go to find Moriarty, he'll be solving some complicated sums because he is a professor, he is teaching in a university. So he is explaining the same thing over here, or he is engaged in doing complicated sums when Secret Service go to find him. That is, he has an alibi for the crime. You cannot tell him, you cannot find fault with McCavity being the criminal. He has always alibi. So in the previous stanza, what cat does, all those crimes are given. Here, what Professor Moriarty does has been explained here. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungo Jerry, I might mention Griddlebone, and nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. Now here again there is a refrain, McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, there is no criminal to measure up to McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness. Deceitfulness means a cheater, a person who is good at cheating. Deceit means cheat, deceitfulness. And suavity, suavity means sophisticated, being posh, being very refined. Okay, he always has an alibi. Alibi means, we said, it's a false evidence to prove that when the crime has taken place, he was not there at the crime, but he was somewhere else. To prove that he was somewhere else, that is a false evidence. Okay, when, and one or two to spare. He doesn't even have one alibi. He has two or three alibis in his pocket. At whatever time the deed took place. The deed means the work here. What is that work? The crime. The crime, wherever it takes place, McCavity wasn't there. McCavity was not found at that place. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. Widely known means the cats are the people who are very famous for their criminal deeds, criminal works, who are major criminalists, great criminals. Okay, when you compare to them, to here they have given some names, Mungo Jerry and Griddlebone. These are the other characters who are great criminals in that book written by T.S. Eliot. When you compare these great criminals to McCavity, these criminals are nothing. They are just agents who work for McCavity. Means McCavity is a greater criminal when you compare to them. They are nothing in front of him. That is, he is the greatest criminal who is among us like a normal human being. He is not known for his criminalism or criminalities, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just control their operations. Means Mungo Jerry and Griddlebone are agents for McCavity. McCavity, whatever he says, these great criminals listen to and do such deeds. So he is described as a Napoleon of crime. You know who is Napoleon? Napoleon is a person who led French army against British. Now here he controlled the operations of all the French against the British. Here McCavity is also the criminal cat which leads all the criminal cats in the city. He is the head of all the criminal cats in the city. That is why he is called as a Napoleon of crime. He is a metaphor for Napoleon of crime. With this we end the McCavity the mystery cat, and I hope you enjoyed with me. In my next part of McCavity, I will explain the rhyme scheme, figures of speeches and everything in my next video. Okay, please look forward to my next video. It has been my pleasure. to explain this poem. Please do not forget to read any of the Sherlock Holmes books you can get your hand on. Please read it. It is very, very delightful. You will enjoy it. I know, because I have read all those Sherlock Holmes books and I treasure them and I read them again and again. And have a wonderful day. I'll meet you with my next video.